Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the temperate grasslands. Firstly, I'm going to tell you the locations. The locations most likely are Central Asia, North America, Australia, Central Europe, and the upland places of South America. So in North America, I include Mexico. Temperature. The temperature in summer can be as well as over 38 Celsius degrees, that is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while winter temperatures can be as low as minus 40 Celsius degrees, 87 Fahrenheit minus 40. The precipitation or rainfall in the temperate grasslands is moderate. Rain in the temperate grasslands usually occurs in the late spring and early summer. The yearly average is about 10 to 35 inches per year in the late spring and early summer. The amount of rainfall influences the height of the grassland vegetation, with taller grasses in wetter regions, that's smaller grasses in drier regions. Soil. The soil is some of the richest in that biome. It almost has very plenty of minerals and nutrients, so it's the richest. People who live in grassland regions often use soils for farming. The soil of the temperate grasslands are very fertile. It's nutrient rich from the growth and decay of deep, many branched grass roots. The root roots hold the soil together and provide food source for living plants. The periodic fires keep the grasslands full of short vegetation rather than trees and shrubs. Overgrazing by livestock and plowing are two of the greatest threats for temperate grasslands. Since the development of the steel, plowed grasslands have been converted to agricultural lands because of the rich soil. About 47% of the temperate grasslands have been converted to agriculture or human development. The ongoing killing of prairie dog bison in North America's plains and the dice and slaughter of the 18th also preserve threats. I'm going to tell you why for us is important this biome. I'm going to talk about this biome as a large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna, occupying a major habitat whose predominant vegetation consists of grasses and or shrubs, where the climate is temperate and semi-arid to semi-humid. Temperate grasslands were one of the world's greatest biomes in their natural form. However, after a century of man altering their composition through agriculture, nutrient runoff, pollution, introduction of invasive plant species, and removal of the land, of roads construction, this type of habitat in its original form has become one of the most endangered of all habitat types. Temperate grasslands cover 9 million square kilometers, that is 8% of the Earth's terrestrial surface, of which 5% is now protected. I'm going to talk about flora and fauna. The temperate grasslands have enormous numbers of animals. The common ones are deer, saiga antelopes, pronghorns, gophers, prairie dogs, bison, grasshoppers, caterpillars, sharp-tailed grouses, and prairie chickens. Although trees cannot grow well in temperate grasslands due to the lack of moisture, crops and flowers can grow because of the relative rapid decomposition of humus, which release nutrients for them to grow. There are several endangered species, and the nominees are the prairie chicken, the prairie dog, the northern bell ibis, and the African wild dog. They are endangered because of the hunting, of the pollution, and several set of stuff. You know, the construction of cities makes their habitat smaller, so they have no place to live. So I hope you keep that in mind, and this was temperate grasslands. Well guys, now I'm going to show you Mexico's grassland locations. So let's see it. As you see in here, Mexico's locations of temperate grasslands is Tamaulipas, a part of Coahuila, Sinaloa, Guanajuato, Guadalajara, Querétaro, San Luis Potosí, spots of Cuernavaca. And these are the main parts of this. The other temperate grasslands in North America are on this center of the United States.